Okay, so today we're going to talk about the network of Ted Mosby's life from How I Met Your Mother. So we can see the presence of the Ted gene stimulates the transcription of the Tracy gene. So Ted marries Tracy at the end of How I Met Your Mother. We can see that the Barney gene inhibits the transcription of Robin, and the Robin gene inhibits the transcription of Ted. So if Ted is transcribed, then he will transcribe the Tracy gene, who becomes his wife. So that means that if Barney blocks Robin, so if he falls in love with her, she will not be present, and therefore she will not be able to inhibit Ted. So if Barney falls in love with Robin, she will not fall in love with Ted, and Ted will fall in love with Tracy. So the representation for this developmental network is Barney, who's repressing Robin, who's repressing Ted, who activates Tracy. When all of them are wild types, so Barney will inhibit Robin, which will not be produced. Therefore, Ted will marry Tracy. When Barney is removed, therefore Barney cannot inhibit Robin, and then Robin will inhibit Ted. Therefore, Ted will not marry Tracy. When both Barney and Robin are removed, neither of these genes are here. Therefore, Ted will marry Tracy because Ted is not inhibited by Robin.